Tuscan market. I found some zucchini, some beautiful in-season tomatoes that are super, super sweet.
And I still need like the main ingredients for the pasta, so I'm thinking maybe shrimp. Wish me luck.
So my competitor today is Sara LaFountain from Finland, who I've admired for the longest time. I actually used to watch her TV show, so I'm really excited to be in the kitchen with her.
I'm a little bit nervous, but I think that my pasta is going to be really good.
I'm just going to let that shine on the plate and just elevate the flavors with just a few simple ingredients.
I think that it's going to be really close, but I'm going to bet on my pasta.
I would put my money on her.
We need some music in here.
Sorry.
Hi.
Hi.
I prefer this one.